inventory, how I set up everything, and let's get into it. So on this side, you guys, these, okay, on top of here is our handbags. So our handbags, this is what they look like. So this is why handbags is given. They come in burgundy, black, white, and green, but I only got one more in black, one more in white, because they selling. And we also got our other handbags, the NYC handbags and stuff like that. I'm gonna see if I could insert a picture in a video to show you guys what the handbags look like. I do have my own personal, but I don't even know where my personal is at right now, because my son just being here touching up on everything. And then right here we have our rose gold eyelashes. So these is our rose gold eyelashes, which is selling too, as I showed you guys in a previous video. And I do have more, so I'm gonna have to restock tonight. So I'm gonna make a style on the next, I'm gonna make a video on my next restock. And yeah, we have some in stock. We definitely have some. We have the eyelash cases in stock. What I need to do is get more eyelashes, because I'm running low on eyelashes. And then over here we have our tweezers, our rose gold tweezers, which is gonna be why is this on there? Over here we have our rose gold tweezers, which is gonna be included, which is gonna be a part of the 4-piece set, eyelash 4-piece kit set. So over here, this is the eyelash curler. So I started to box up one, and then I got distracted because my son was just in here in the house just bugging. So I gotta finish these. So we're gonna make a video on the eyelash curlers. And then over here we have our combs, our precision combs, and we also have our wig mountain band. Oh my god, our wig mountain band, super pretty, super pretty, super pretty. I love my logo. This thing just gonna keep doing this. Super pretty, super pretty. I love my logo, you guys. She's giving what she's supposed to be giving. This thing is when they came out with this, with the ear protection wig band, they did their thing. Because when I tell you that when I do my wig sometimes and I wear my headbands, it don't hurt the side of my ears, it don't itch my head. Yes. Okay, so we got our hot combs right here. And yeah, it doesn't itch my head. It don't make my scalp itchy, like the side of my head itchy or hurting the side of my head, where to the point I have to remove it every minute just to breathe and stuff. So right here we have our makeup brushes, a 10-piece set makeup brush. Very pretty, very pretty. See, what I was trying to do when I got these makeup brushes, I wanted my logo on it. But I didn't know at the time that I don't know. I really didn't know that I could go to other vendors to go see if I could get my logo printed, because the vendor where I got my makeup brush from was giving me a hard time. So these is our makeup bag, and this is what she's looking like. And right here is our LED eyelash cases, and also our flat iron comb attachments. These are selling too. These LED eyelash cases, they're also selling. The LED eyelash cases is going for $1. So those are old versions, and I also got the upgrade version. So old versions are selling very fast. My upgrade version, I'm gonna have to post them up and show you guys. Right here we have our eyebrow pencils and eyelash glue. Same thing on this side. Right here is the LOL's kids washing machine, made for kids only, to wash like the little doll clothes, such as action figure clothes or baby Barbie doll clothes. My son gave me the idea because he came in here and grabbed a washing machine, and then he asked me, "No, is this a washing machine?" Because he know what a washing machine is. And I said yes. He put water in it, and then he threw his little action figure toy clothes in there. And I'm like, you just gave me an idea. These are our pressed powders. And right here, these are our face what is this again? A face shield mask. My camera's about to die, you guys, so I just came on here to do a little quick video. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to be coming out with another video on me making lip glosses and some lip scrubs and stuff like that. I'm currently working on a new project because you see my lips, I got lip gloss on right now, but my lips was ashy earlier. You know, the winter is just cracking up people's lips and stuff like that. So we're gonna be working on a new project. I'm making some lip scrubs and stuff. And while I do that, let me show you guys how I stack up my lip scrubs container, my lip tubes and everything. And then we got some more stuff that's coming in stock. So I'm going to show you guys the middle drawer because everything is not set up yet. So this is what the middle drawer is looking like. So these are all our basically our lip gloss supplies, our pipettes, lip gloss tubes, our new LED lip gloss tubes. So I have more that's coming in stock. Our lip scrub container, our eyelash container. This is basically my little alcohol bottle to disinfect my hand. This is where I'm gonna be storing my little lip glosses when I make them. And this is a spoon, and I got a couple of stuff that's coming soon, like lip gloss bases. I have the lip gloss base. I'm waiting for my pigments, but we do got pigments that's in the bottom of here. It's not a lot, it's just a very few, but yes, we're working on something, you guys. Thank you for watching me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other YouTube video, you guys. Thank you, my royal queen babies. And I'll talk to you.